I got in late last night and...
Thanks for tuning in and watching this video. I just wanted to pop in and say at the end here that I've been experimenting with some new video editing, and yeah, it's been really fun. And otherwise, I've been doing really well, just trying to balance everything and figure out how and in what place different aspects of my life fit together. So yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day or are having a wonderful night wherever you are, and I will talk to you guys super soon in another video. Bye.
Oh my, oh my, oh my days. Life is wonderful. Life is wonderful. Never understood, but life